Honorary Professor of the Academic Union, Oxford. This title honours outstanding individuals for participating in the development of comprehensive programmes to enhance the investment attractiveness of their regions, the development of training programmes, business, education and healthcare. The title of Honorary Professor is bestowed upon Remzi Abdulai, who is the CEO of Vardar Dolomit from North Macedonia. And we are lucky enough to have the Honorary Professor Remzi Abdulai with us today, and I believe that you would like to say a few words to our assembled company. Mr. Abdulai, please, it is all yours.
Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, Mr. Remzi Abdulai couldn't join us today, but I'm here on his behalf to receive this award. My name is Elena Arsoska and I'm technology engineer at Vardar Dolomit company. I'm pleased and honored to accept this award in the name of my CEO, Mr. Remzi Abdulai. And we are earnestly grateful for the recognition that our CEO received for his hard work during all these years. He is extremely honored to be obtaining such an important award like Honorary Professor of Academic Union Award. So very special thanks to European Business Assemble for selecting us and awarding us with this recognition. Once again, thank you on behalf of Mr. Remzi Abdulai and whole team of Vardar Dolomit company. Congratulations to all of this year's award winners, and have a nice day and happy holidays.
Thank you very, very much indeed. Thank you. And happy holidays to you too.
Thank you.